meron siyang binanggit na delikado. Hindi po ako expert no on words like suicide, so I'll not play an expert. Seek professional help, no? Hindi po biro yung ganyang mindset, no? Minsan ang sarap takasan ng problema. Let's try to compartmentalize. Number 1, seek professional help, no? Number 2, stop trading. Don't trade. Don't trade at all. Number 3, set terms to yourself and talk to your husband, say everything, and talk to your family kung ano talaga yung nangyari, no? Family mo yan, sa palagay ko mauunawaan po nila, and admit to them, no? Meet them. Then that's when you open to them, mga kapatid, nanay, tatay, ito po talaga yung nangyari, pasensya na po kayo, mauunawaan ka niyan. Saan ka kukuha ng income? Sabi nga nung isang nag-comment, kung kaya mo nang magtrabaho online, kahit may anak ka, mag-buy and sell ka muna, no? Ipon ka, okay? Make sure na you don't enter trading na pinangungutang mo yung pera na pang-trade mo. You build your finances first. You build. Kasi mas yumayaman sa trading yung mayaman na.